When it comes to addition and other operations, when we're doing the butterfly method, does it really work for every single operation? So I have a couple here that I know that I'm going to start with this addition problem, and I'm going to use the butterfly method. So 3 times 16 gives us 48. 4 times 7 gives us 28. And when we multiply the denominators, we get 64. So this ends up being 48 64ths that we are going to be adding together. So if you notice that when we use this butterfly method, our values get really large. We're still focusing on those whole numbers, I want to say, because we haven't really thought really about what it means to have 48 64ths or 28 64ths. When the kids are doing this, they aren't thinking about it either. They're just trying to get an answer and to finish and get an answer the quickest in the quickest way possible. But the quickest and easiest ways are not necessarily the best ways, because it can really hurt kids in the long run. So with this problem, they have done the addition. Now they're doing the division to simplify, and they have more chances to make mistakes. There's a more efficient way to solve this problem. So I'm going to change my color here, and I'm going to solve it. Another way that they could have done this was to make these fourths into sixteenths. And so now they get 3/4 is equivalent to 12 sixteenths. And when they add this together, they get 19 sixteenths. And quickly they can get 1 and 3 sixteenths. This is a more efficient way. This builds on their knowledge of fractions and understanding what it means when they're getting common denominators. They're making these fractions are equivalent, and what equivalent fractions really mean. When they're looking at this butterfly method, that's just focusing on whole numbers and getting an answer quicker. So when we look at multiplication, and I'm going to do this problem using multiplication, so it'll be 3/4 times 7/16 to see if this butterfly method works. And kids don't have any conceptual knowledge. When they see fractions, they're going to start just doing what they know to do, which is to do the butterfly method and multiply. But if I do that, I'm going to get the same 48 64ths, and then I'm going to try and multiply that by 28 64ths. And we know that this is not the correct way to solve this problem, because when we're doing part of a part, we're doing finding the product. And so we're going to multiply straight across, and we're going to get 21 64ths as our product. So this does not work. The butterfly does not work for every single operation. I believe that butterfly should not be taught to students, because they tend to make it a strategy that applies to all, and they're not sure when to apply it.